How's it going, guys? Let's see what we got. These are wheel locks. Wheel locks, that's gonna go right there. Alright, let's open it up. Okay. One for every wheel. Here is the key. Now, here is an order form to order another key. Do not lose this. As soon as I install this, I'm going to order another key. Now you can use a 21mm socket that fits, or you can use your tire iron. Right there. That should be the size. Perfect. Take one lug nut off. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Yeah, the original is slightly longer though. Line it up. Tighten it. Okay, I actually have a torque wrench. I believe this is 76 foot-pounds. So I'm going to line up the little notches here. As soon as I get it in there, there we go. Okay. That's good. Since I'm here. Alright. That's it. Easy and fast. I'm going to do the other three. Yep. Drop stuff. Yep. Scratch the rims. Alright guys, that is it. That was easy, quick, fast, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's put this back in here. And forget this. Put this here. I want to put it right here. Look at that. Be alright guys, thanks for watching. Nice, short, simple video. Aloha. Alright, I'm all registered. I'm about to order a spare key.